Hello and welcoming you all back to Pavithra.C.R YouTube channel. Today we are been looking on to a video lecture series on creativity and decision making. In our previous video we were been discussing about what is creativity is actually, and we were been looking on to what is creative decision making process and why a creative decision making process is important for a business or an organization, and we will be looking on to an introduction and a gist of what is creativity and what is creative decision making is actually. And in this video we will be looking on to creativity that has been inculcated in different fields and different institutions. So without more delay, moving on to the video. Before that, I am Pavitra, working as Assistant Professor at the Department of Business Administration (PG) at Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. Moving on to the today's video on creativity in different fields. First and foremost, what is creativity? So creativity is actually something thinking out of box rather than usual and conceptual ideas and practices. So creativity is actually generating new and innovative ideas and solutions and an alternative for a problem statement that arise in an organization. It is a tendency to recognize a problem, to identify a problems, to undo in recognize the ideas and various other new alternatives that would be most feasible and adaptable to the present problem statement, and that would be more helpful to overcome this kind of a challenge in an organization. So creativity fosters, why creativity is important? This question may be arising to everyone. Without taking any risk, people can be sticking on to the old and usual ideas. That would be a more common thing, but why we should take a new challenge of adopting a new ideas or solutions. This would be a common question that arises to everyone, but it is not something that our old and conceptual ideas that is keep on practicing may sometimes give failure to our businesses. For an instance or for example, let us take, as technologies improves, as technologies grow, it is most important for a business also to adapt to the changing environment and changing technologies. In that case, it is most important for an organization to adapt to creative decision making process, bringing in new ideas, new technologies and new decisions is most challenging and most riskier one, definitely. But if while we are crossing those risks and challenges, it gives a better results to them, to an organization. Creativity, as we discussed in our previous video, it is a most challenging aspect of bringing three important characteristics of a business, that is people, process and technology, which is more three important asset of the organization. Bringing all these three assets of the organization together and fostering a success is the biggest achievement for any kind of a business. So creativity definitely gives a risk to an organization, but overcoming those risks gives a fruitful success for an organization. So, why, three reasons why people are motivated to be creative. So, as I said priorly, creativity inculcates something new out of unusual ideas and concepts. It gives better ideas, better values, and it communicates more ideas to the present problems, and uh, it gives a need to solve those problem statements and for giving a novel and varied ideas to overcome the complex situations and processes. So in order to be creative, you need to be able to view things in new ways and new dimension and in a different perspective. Among other things, you need to be able to generate new possible ideas and new alternatives to a present arising problems in an organization. Tests of creativity measures not only the number of alternatives that people can be generated by usual concepts or uniqueness of those alternatives. The ability to generate alternatives or to see things uniquely does not occur by change. It always happens with a tolerance, flexibility and adaptability to adapt to different situations and different processes. So coming on to the actual topic of this video, so creativity in different fields. So creativity can be fostered in different fields, as people usually say creativity in arts and craft. Creativity doesn't only meant to arts and crafts or painting, but it also comes to music, dance, it comes to businesses, how business can implement creative ideas, creative solutions to better decision making and improvement of those businesses. So in upcoming videos, we will be clearly discussing on what are the different types of creativity, how what are the differences from different types of creativities, and we will be looking on to the techniques to foster creativity in the organization. Further, we will be also looking on to the mental blocks uh, that are in the organization that stops creativity in a business, and ways to overcome those mental blocks. Everything detailedly in the upcoming videos. Do continuously watch Pavithra.C.R YouTube channel to know more interesting topics on managerial decision making process and challenges. And further, this would be an interactive session. I would give my ideas and my suggestions on different topics. You could also definitely share with me about your ideas and processes in the comment section. Do come up with your ideas and give your suggestions about this video. Thank you, and seeing you all in the next video. Thank you.